same. Orlando Pirates 2, Skokone 0. Dadewethu ubuya nokuthini manje?
Ngibuya nokuthi thina
Pretty.
as Orlando Pirates we are continental. Njengoba sizongena kwi-CAF.
Yeah.
We are already continental. Sinobabjwarha.
Yeah.
Sinabohoto.
Yeah.
Inkinga zethu zincane.
Yeah.
We are a continental team.
Yes.
And so logo CE continental team.
Yeah.
We have podcasters out there from West Africa,
yes.
East Africa,
yeah.
and sihlangene as
kuno football benters le Nigeria.
Kuno football benters in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Maningi ama-platform.
Yeah.
Asupporta iBuccaneer ne-Pirates.
Yes.
Kodwa sesihlangene as ama-fans.
Yes.
Sinobabjwarha, sinaboChina.
Ubabjwarha ngimazi mina uba.
Uyamazi
ngimazi ukuzwa.
Our campaign is we want to break Americans here from Nigeria.
Yes.
To experience Soweto derby.
Yes.
And then we ask football lovers to donate.
Yeah.
Please help us. We love football.
Yeah.
Football people, they always understand each other.
Yes.
Please, guys, our fellow sister that side, they always talk about Pirates.
Yeah.
Let's make sure
football vendors
this coming October.
Yeah.
We want to see her here.
Yeah.
Assist us.
Yeah.
Let's make these things happen.
No, maybe
maybe to assist in that, for those that want to donate, please guys go to her page. Her name is Another Miracle. Go to her page. You will see there's a link on the bio where you can do the donation. There's two types of donation. There's a pay shop and there's also a beggar body. So please guys, if you have 20 rand, 50 rand, whatever amount you have, please put it there so that we show and demonstrate to the continent who we are. We want to showcase Africa who we are.
Yeah, me, another miracle. Another miracle. Yes. Another miracle. That's what she says. Breathing, walking.
Can I close with that tagline?
Yes.
I am another miracle. I am living, breathing walking miracle.
Yeah.
And she's exactly that.
Yes.
She demonstrates what football is about, which is unity.
Yes.
Ibhola lethu lihle. Ibhola lethu deserves EPSL to be shared with the rest of the Africans that we've got there.
Yes.
And she's done that without being pushed.
Yes.
She's done that because of and from the passion that she has.
Yes.
So we ask Uguti support her and support our campaign.
Yes.
And let's get her here so that she also gets to experience the South African experience. Yeah. She also gets to experience South African hospitality.
Yes.
Sabantu abanothando.
Exactly.
Sabantu like literally who love football.
Yes.
Yeah. And that is what we want to showcase.
Yeah.
Derby is the biggest platform and spectacle in Africa.
Yeah.
And sesifuna ukubonisa ibhola lethu. We've seen this season and in the past couple of months we're exporting talent and it's great talent.
Yes.
Above all of that, we still want to showcase our young players.
Yeah.
Pirates is bringing in young players for ETDC.
Yeah.
We're seeing Ibolo and the PSL increase in terms of the quality that it's providing to us.
Yeah.
So we want that to be something that is showcased. Miracle has and another has done more than for the game than what we would have done ourselves.
Yes.
Let West Africa know ukuthi iPSL ingani. Let East Africa know ukuthi ingani. The campaign is composed of multiple people.
Yes.
Sino babjwarha, sino China who is here.
Yeah.
China no
bangathi scam. They like to say those things because if someone is from Africa, but no, it's a scam and something, and Nigerians wanna scam us and stuff. Remember that there's this bad reputation. There's this bad reputation. So now we're trying something. It's football unites.
Yes.
because of Kaizer Chiefs doesn't mean that when someone remember that there's no derby without Kaizer Chiefs.
No.
The reason why, as a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, I support the whole program, the whole initiative, and the whole campaign is because of there's no derby without Kaizer Chiefs. So us as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we have to make sure that other people as well, they feel better, you understand, and they feel welcome. And then it's not about just a team, a certain team, but it's about football as in general. Our football is growing. We are becoming one of the best leagues in J. We are there. We're getting there.
Not only on the stands, but also on the pitch.
Yeah, on the pitch as well. We are growing. So when our football is growing, we're supposed to at least come through together and make sure that, remember that we're also going to play CAF around those countries. Of course, the fans from those countries, they need to understand what China Sikaban Bobu.
And China might happen to go to see the Nigeria. Because even Nigeria, there's a champions team.
Exactly.
Might happen to go to China the campaign one day. Madrid is going to come welcome us that side.
Pressure. And I think what's also important, my leader, is also acknowledging all the recognizable faces that we're working with in this campaign. People have taken their time of their busy schedule to come and also be part of this. This is very monumental. The former players that I cannot name now, they've been helping, and that is very monumental. And we also want to demonstrate the last guarantee that I want to give you. Miracle is going to come here.
It's going to come.
We just need people to participate. She is coming because we've made a big progress, but we still need people. So let's just go out there and still continue supporting the campaign. And otherwise, everything is okay. That's the end of my side.
To just close it off, football is about unity. Football is about connection. Football is about putting people together of different creeds, men, women, countries, and sihlangana sonke around the game. And it's all about the love of the game. And that is what our campaign is all about. They can go on her page and they will see ama details.
No, we'll start sharing. I was not aware.
Yeah, where they can donate. And we have a pay shop if Ipeka Badi link gives you problems. Pirates is behind us. Jesus is behind us. But more than anything else, Lento Ikalwe Amafen on her page. And no, so we are always the 12th man on the field. And City, as a 12th man on the field, let's push this campaign to the finishing line and let us make this dream come true. Let us share the quality of South African football. And let us share the biggest derby on the African continent with West Africa, East Africa, and Northern Africa. Masilukhulise ibholo lethu. Masi create ama platform that will grow abafana bethu abancane.
Njengawethu Football SA.
Bazokwazi ukubonwa.
Babona
umhlaba. Let's not keep it silent. Let's just do what we need to do. Uthando, Ubuntu, and South African hospitality. And why,
singathathela uChina amafoni. Singashaya ingane kaChina.
No, I get Jesus in